Hi everyone, I'm Joyce from Perfect Times Yoga. Today, I'd love to introduce a yoga pose that helps strengthen your lower body, open up the hips, and improve both focus and stability, which is Warrior II. It is one of the most foundational and commonly practiced poses in yoga, making it a great pose for beginners to learn from. To get into Warrior II, you can start from the mountain pose. Stand tall and steady. Then inhale and step your right foot back, bringing your feet about 1 meter or 3 feet apart. Turn your front toes to point straight forward and your back foot out to almost 90 degrees. You can turn it slightly inward to find a more stable angle. Try to align your front and back heels roughly in one line. Bend your front knee, bringing your thighs close to parallel with the floor. Make sure your knees stay stacked directly above your ankle. Straighten your back leg and press firmly into the outer edge of your back foot. This helps ground your lower body. Now, square your torso and pelvis toward the side edge of the mat. Lift both arms out to shoulder height, reaching strongly in opposite direction, with your arms parallel to the floor and palms facing down. Turn your head to look over your front hand, gazing toward your fingertips. Once you are in position, you can try sink a little deeper and do a quick check-in. Is your front knee aligned with your ankle? Is it turning in or out too much? Is your torso centered, or are you leaning to one side? Is your pelvis tucking or sticking out behind you? Keep your back strong and steady, but not stiff. Gently draw your shoulder blades together to open up the chest, and let your shoulders relax. If your shoulders feel tight, you can try this. First, rotate your shoulder back and turn your palms to face up. Then, without moving your shoulders, slowly turn your palms back down. This can help you release any unnecessary tension in the shoulders. Keep lengthening your spine, grounding through your feet, breathing steadily and rhythmically. With each inhale, lift through your spine, and with each exhale, sink a little deeper. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths, feeling strong and stable. When you're ready to come out, lower your arms and straighten your legs. Return to the mountain pose, and then repeat on the other side. Besides starting from the mountain pose, Warrior II is also commonly entered from the Downward Facing Dog. Inhale, kick your right leg up and back. Exhale, step your right foot forward between your palms. Once your legs are grounded and stable, rise up through the upper body and settle into Warrior II. After holding the pose, don't forget to repeat the same steps on the other side. Why is Warrior II such an important and frequently practiced pose in yoga? Because it truly offers a wide range of benefits. It helps strengthen the legs, back, and core muscles, which improves our overall stability and balance, making us less prone to tripping or falling. It also works to open up the hips and the chest, which can improve posture and counter the effects of prolonged sitting, something many of us experience and suffer regularly. Warrior II is a full-body pose that engages muscles from head to toe, making it an excellent warm-up to prepare the body for more advanced or dynamic poses following up in your practice. For beginners, you can adjust the distance between your feet or reduce the depth of your front knee bend to help your body ease into the pose and maintain better balance. If your shoulders feel tight or if you are suffering from a shoulder injury, you can keep your hands on your hips or bring your palms together at your heart center. For those with limited mobility or range of motion, you might consider using a chair or practicing with support from a wall. If you're using a chair for support, start by placing the front thigh on the edge of the chair, and then extend your back leg behind you, turning your foot out to about 90 degrees angle. Begin by placing your hands on your hips. If you feel steady and comfortable, you can then extend your arms out to shoulder height, reaching actively in both directions. If you like to practice against the wall, you can stand next to the wall with your back and pelvis gently resting against it. Then come into Warrior II from there. To help with alignment, you can place a yoga block between your front shin and the wall, so you can practice keeping your front knee stacked directly above your ankle. If you tend to stick your hips or buttock out, practicing against the wall can also help you feel the correct posture and alignment. Although Warrior II is a foundational yoga pose, it carries the essence of stability, strength, awareness, and focus. Each time you ground into this pose, it is a chance to reconnect with your body and tap into your inner strength. Take some time to practice Warrior II and feel the sense of power and steadiness it helps you to build from the inside out. Namaste. If you enjoyed today's demonstration, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll continue sharing more yoga poses in the future to help you better understand the benefit of yoga. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please feel free to leave me a comment below. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.